Let's start to think about the mouth now. When you begin the mouth, I always think the line between the lips is the first thing you should look at. Quite often it's a sort of squashed M shape. Sometimes it's very flat, sometimes it's downturned, whatever it happens to be. You really observe this on your model. If we create something like that for the line between the lips, then the top lip tends to echo that to some extent. And the top lip, because of the way it tilts in, is often in cast shadow. We're generally lit from above, 99% of the time by the sun or by artificial light. So these areas tend to be in shadow. And the bottom lip's defined by a little dip just below the bottom lip that again sits in shadow. The bottom lip tends to be slightly wider than the top lip. Again, this can vary depending on who your model is, so keep your eyes peeled. Again, depending on the light source, there's more or less shadow as you go across the lips. Quite often there's more shadow in the corner of the lips, where the lips tuck under one of the muscles in the face here. Sometimes there's a little more shadow just one side or the other of the center. And again, in a similar way to the nose, I've left just a little touch of reflected light bouncing back up under that top lip. When you're shading the bottom lip, the direction of the mark you make is really important. So using that bottom lip shape to sort of curve out towards us, remembering to keep the bottom lip lighter than the top lip because it juts out into the light, and curving that line back on the other side as it tucks just along the side. Then intensify that shadow